Okay, this is Subway. Bread. She works here. She's not just a weirdo who shows up. Now we're gonna make a Hot Pocket sandwich.
That one's already open.
Oh, we need a different one.
All it's gonna do is give me a piece of bread. Okay. That half. This half? You have too much bread. You have to. Okay. Hot Pocket sandwich. So, you start by cutting out the inside of the sandwich. I'm trying to make it like a TV show. You know how they're like,
yeah,
blah blah blah. And now we'll do this.
Here we go. Okay.
I think we got the center out. Nice and hollow. So you can stick my whole hand in there. Oh, it's kind of tight. Ew. Okay, now let's take it to the front line. Elaine will probably eat that because she's a vegan. Weirdo. Okay, what kind of cheese? So you crush up the chips. You stick them in the hole. Is that enough chips?
No, but you have to get it to the front too. So you gotta like lay it down flat, kind of.
Hold on.
This is good. Or you could just like put it in layers, chips on cheese.
Oh my god. Now we melt it.
Okay. Who's video?
Best sandwich ever.
What are you gonna name it, Corey?
The Hot Pocket
The Hot Pocket?
Dorito.
The,
They already have Hot Pockets.
the Dorito pocket?
The sandwich pocket.
Dorito pouch.
Okay, well, you're on a video, so you can't smell the Doritos, but I can.
Lettuce.
How are you gonna fit lettuce in there?
Wait,
Lettuce is gonna go in there.
I think maybe you
Whoa.
should put
Look at it.
the fruit in there first. But you have to make sure it gets on everything.
It's in there. Lettuce?
I'm so in love with it.
Rip them half and make sure one hits the back. Rip a tomato in half. Anything else? And then green peppers. Trying to get it to the back. It's hot. Okay, green peppers. And then that's it after the green peppers.
Time to taste the Dorito pouch. Take a bite out of that. Nice big bite.
Wait, where's the Doritos?
They're in there. They're in there. They're on the
Why did you just get a big bite of cheese?
They're under the cheese.
I can feel them through the bread. Eat it. Eat it. You sound like my boyfriend.
Okay. He often yells at her too.